The original house with its cubic volume, typical of the early modernism of the 1930s, with semicircle fringes and scanty details, stretches towards the garden with its modern addition, a light floating pavilion. An adaptation in the 1980s crowned the originally flat roof with a classic slanted roof and deprived the building of a large part of its former elegance. The central architectural challenge of the renovation was the connection of the house with its extensive garden, which is more than twice the area of the footprint of the building. In response to this, the architects reached much further from the usual solutions and designed a columnar loop, which is an extension of living rooms and at the same time a garden pavilion. The addition is a kind of cruciform corridor, which borders the garden into the inner Zen atrium, but at the same time with a gradual descent connects the interior of the villa with the open garden on the southern part of the property. The extension uses and reinterprets some classic modernist themes such as an architectural promenade, ramp, transparency, and free floor plan. The newly created circular route is widened into two spaces, with two different ambiances. In the glazed part of the colonnade, in the visual axis north-south, which crosses the whole floor plan between access and garden and thus connects the old and the new, is located in a slightly raised living room. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.